Good morning. Today we are going to discuss rank of a matrix. Rank of a matrix. A non-zero matrix is said to have rank k if at least one of its minor is not 0 and all minors of order more than k if any are 0. Therefore, rank of a matrix is said to be 2 if all minors of order 3 or more are 0 and at least one minor of order 2 is not 0. If the given matrix is a square matrix, the highest minor is the determinant formed with all elements of the given matrix in same position. For example, find the rank of a 3 by 3 matrix 5 2 1 0 1 3 2 1 0. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. So the highest minor we can form is of order 3. That is, highest minor is its determinant itself. That is 5 2 1 0 1 3 2 1 0 is equal to 5 into determinant of 1 3 1 0 minus 2 into determinant of 0 3 2 0 plus 1 into determinant of 0 1 2 1, which is equal to 5 into 0 minus 3 minus 2 into 0 minus 6 plus 1 into 0 minus 2, which is equal to minus 15 plus 12 minus 2 equal to minus 5, which is not 0. So that the rank is 3. We know that the highest rank which is not equal to 0, highest minor which is not equal to 0, then its rank is that order. That is, here minor of order 3 is not 0, therefore rank is 3. Another example, another 3 by 3 matrix. Find the rank of the matrix 1 2 3 3 6 9 2 4 6. Its highest minor is of order 3. So its determinant itself set 1 2 3 3 6 9 2 4 6. Determinant is 1 into determinant of 6 9 4 6 minus 2 into 3 9 2 6 plus 3 into 3 6 2 4, which is equal to 1 into 36 minus 36 minus 2 into 18 minus 18 plus 2 into plus 3 into 12 minus 12. So it is equal to 0. So the rank is not 3. Then we consider minors of order 2. Minors of order 2 are determinant 1 2 3 6, determinant 2 3 6 9, determinant 3 6 2 4, determinant 6 9 4 6, and these minors have determinant value 0. So the rank is not 2. If the determinant value is 0, the rank is not that order. So here minors of order 2 are also 0. Therefore, the only option is rank is 1. Next, find the rank of 1 2 0 5 3 1 2 2 2 4 0 10. It's a 3 by 4 matrix. So its highest minors that can be obtained are of order 3 only. The minors are 1 2 0, 3 1 2, 2 4 0, and 205, 122, 4010, and another minor can be formed 125, 312, 2410. These are all of order 3. These minors have values 0. So rank is not 3. So we go to the next option, the minors of order 2. Consider the minors. The above 3 minors of order 3 have 0 values. So rank is not 3. Now consider minors of order 2. There are minors 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 5, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 0 and 2, 2, 0, 10. Since at least one of these not 0, rank is equal to 2. We can see that first one is 1 minus 6 is not 0. So the rank is obviously 2. Okay. Thank you.